Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna see some waterfalls. So now, with all the rain we had in the past few days, I'm not sure we can manage all the hike with a baby, but we'll try. And let's go now.
We just parked. We tried the first car park, but the one for the 4 waterfalls, but it was too small. Our fault, to be fair, because there was a massive sign that said unsuitable for campervans, and we tried it anyway. But we came a bit further down, and there was a car park on the side, on the lay-by, so we parked there. Hopefully we're gonna arrive at the waterfalls. So we managed to see the first waterfall, and then we're gonna go and see the other 3. So hopefully it's not gonna rain anymore. I'm sorry, where's the sun? It's already 2:30, and we realized that doing the 4 waterfalls walk will take us about 3 hour and a half, and we don't want to walk in the dark. So I think we're gonna see the second one, and then we're gonna go back.
I can tell already we're not gonna have fun coming back on all these stairs. Wow, that was absolutely beautiful. We're all wet, and not because of the rain for the first time.
I'm sorry, where's the sun?
But yeah, that was stunning. You can still see it over there. You can really get very close to the waterfall, and of course it's all wet. Now this was the second waterfall, and unfortunately it's gonna be the last for us, because the whole tour to see the all 4 waterfalls is gonna take like 3-4 hours. It's not that long. But since we came here very late, around 1, there's not a chance we can finish the whole tour before it's getting dark. So we better get back to our motorhome and go back to the camping.
Did you like it?
I really liked it. This place is recommended. You really should come. And it's so amazing because you can really get close to some waterfalls.
You should listen to her. It was a really good walk. The waterfalls were amazing, and the place is stunning. It rained when we started the walk, but then the sun came out and it was much better. You know, sun makes everything better. I'm sorry, where's the sun? And it was muddy, but not too much. It's still still a bit hard to decide what path to take because I'm really afraid to slip and hurt myself and the baby, but it wasn't too bad. Now we're heading back to the campsite because it's getting dark and we're gonna have, you know, something warm. So thanks for watching us, guys, and if you like the video, please let us know in the comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, bye bye.